Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Terry. If you're new here, to my returning subscribers, welcome back home, darling. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow. Subscription is definitely free. Today it's Saturday. I'm going to Mwanda Market with my friend Tiro. If you've seen my last vlog, my previous vlog, I think last year, I also went to the same event with her. It was just the two of us, so we're doing it again this year. Yo, homonatico girlhood, guys, it's so nice. We really enjoyed, so we're going back again. Yeah, so I'm taking you guys with me. I hope you love this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let's go, chomies. OOTD, I'll see if I can attach something here, but it's just, I'm really very basic and comfortable because it's winter. And yeah, Adidas, Nike, then my jeans from Komakuleng, and I'm wearing diesel sneakers. So let's go, guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Love you so much.
But I keep looking back. It's just the little things that get me like that. It's the way you say my name like it's something soft and sweet, and the way you laugh out loud like the world's on repeat. I don't know what this is, but I know I can't hide. Every little thing you do stays on my mind. Stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. You don't even notice me counting every glance I replay. The way you speak like a favorite dance. If you knew the things I feel, would you laugh or stay, or just walk right past me like any other day? I try to play it cool, but I'm falling fast. It's just the little things I wish I could last. It's the way you say my name like it's something soft and sweet, and the way you laugh out loud like the world's on repeat. I don't know what this is, but I know I can't hide. Every little thing you do stays on my mind. Stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Maybe it's nothing, maybe it's true, but every small moment leads me to you. I don't need forever, I just need this. Every time you're close, I forget to breathe. It's the way you say my name like it's something soft and sweet, and the way you look at me like you might believe. I don't know what this is, but I don't wanna fight. Every little thing you do feels just right. Feels just right. Feels just right. Maybe someday you'll feel the same. Once a girl likes you, but you don't know. You don't know
Just go quick, man. You're beauty, man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat this the market, so can you please support each other? The stores at the back, and big shout out to our sponsors. We got Kavas here, we got Flying Fish, and we get
Renale Espelano, Renale Graham Bag. If I go around that champagne, if I want show me your money, show me your power. If you don't have the money, take a picture. Hey, get there. Hey, get there. Good. Ndebele, Simba Manati, Simba Mahoso, Bari Silose, Ndebele, Simba Manati, Simba.
Safakaje, ingene, ulama sambo, ingene, omingenza.
Asambe wena mane macha, ebasi ngeke ngiphinde mina. Ngibe nenkinga. Ashobane nokuskima ni. Kutabila la. Kala ma celebrity, eh? Hey, ngale, ngale. Keni ufile. Asambe ngeke. Jo. Vittori, che la cosa la data, dopo di Marellina. Sempre tra te stesso, che bom, ma sale giù da Gesù Morena. Ecce.
Orrique buena. Che mira que no soy mío, power.
Hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. Today it's Saturday, the following week after the market. I'm looking for an emergency dress, guys. I need an emergency dress. I'm invited to go somewhere tomorrow, which is a Sunday. Komatogozeng. So they said the theme is red and I have a red dress. However, I wore it the previous week again to another event. So I can ask my designer to make me a dress in a day. So yeah, I'm going to Johannesburg now to go look for a dress, and then yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. So I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. I'll see you guys later. I arrived for Josine. They're taking measurements and now they're telling me that 1 hour 30 minutes max, so I need to wait for them to make my dress from scratch because apparently I'm too skinny. So I can't size. So yeah, they're gonna take my measurements and then they'll do mine now. Hi guys, I'm back home. I just got home and the first thing I did was to take off my wig. I'm really enjoying being bald at this point. Like, I only wear a wig when I go out and only when it's cold. So when it's not cold, I'm just gonna go like this. So, and I'm not really know. I'm just gonna shave it off again, so I become cheese cop. I'm currently enjoying being moya or cheese cop. So yeah, I just got home because I'm really sharp. I got a dress. I like it. It's red and black. So I wish it matches with the blanket that we wear, the black and red blanket. Yeah, otherwise it's a really sharp. I think let me show you guys how the dress looks like, but I'm not gonna wear it. I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I want to close off this vlog, so you probably gonna see it when I wear it on the next vlog, which I'm gonna start tomorrow. Yeah, so vlog ya tomorrow will be part of the ingoma preparation. So now it's Matogozo. After Matogozo, we will also have Magwabo. After Magwabo, then it's the homecoming event for homecoming ceremony. Event. Homecoming ceremony. Yeah, so let me show you the dress quick, and then yeah, we're gonna close the vlog now. We're gonna wrap up now, and then I'll see you guys on the next vlog. So it fits very, like, it's so perfect. Ogarki princess Magoti. But you it's like on the waist here. I even asked them how can I like a volume that it's here, but no, when the dresses sabone vele ba ira di chu or tutu kind of dresses. So that is how I'm gonna get it. So I feel like I'm gonna wear it, and then when I have time I'll take it to my tailor for her or I focus the volume, because I feel like it's just too much for me. So it's too much, as in like it's too too formal when there's like serious events only. So yeah, and I don't want that. Like I can wear it as often as I want, not only when it's this one serious. So yeah, let me show it to you guys, and then yeah, let me show it to you guys. And then we're gonna wrap up. This is how the dress looks like. Because it was obviously in the plastic. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. I got it for 450. Go to Thuli's Empire, the one on TikTok. This is how it looks at the back, and this is how it looks in the front. So they normally sell for, like, when you buy two, it's cheaper. It's like 850 when you buy two dresses, but when you buy one, it's 450. So since it's my first time buying from her, I didn't want to buy happy. So like now I feel like it's just so yeah, I feel like I'm gonna take it to my tailor so that she can just reduce volume. But it's not heavy. However, it does look heavy. It's a very long one. I'm gonna wear it with my black and red blankets. So yeah, this is how it looks. I thought I might as well just wear it since I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I had to stand up. So let me just wear it so that you can see how it looks. But the outfit, the whole outfit, how I'm gonna style it, and that you're gonna see it on the next vlog. Oh, let me show you something. Wait, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. I went home to my mama-in-law's house during the week on Wednesday. I just went to check up on them, like how are they and all that. But and I found her, like, she made this for me. It matched her with this blanket of mine. Eventually the beads that she did for this blanket of mine. So even if I want to wear this dress and then I'll wear this blanket and also put these beads, then I'm matching, and I'm even thinking of styling them my diesel sneakers. Or if I don't want to wear with this head bead, then I'm gonna wear it with this one. So I have options to wear this blanket of mine. So I have like 2 options for tomorrow. Oh, both of them were made by my mama in love. So what a spoiled makoti. What a spoiled makoti. I'm telling you, Tommy. Look at this. This is so cute. I really love this one. Like when I see something new or something cute, I just can't wait to wear it. And I'm so glad that I got an invitation for tomorrow's event. I think I'm gonna rock this one. I'll just see, because this one I did wear it last week with my other dress, but I didn't vlog. So this blanket, I'm gonna wear this dress with this blanket tomorrow, and then I'll see which sneakers I'm gonna wear. So I feel like I'm gonna shave off again my hair, and then even extra cheese gogo. So I hope not hope, I know I'm gonna look cute. Otherwise, I'm very happy with this dress of mine. I'm so happy with it. Besides it being too much here, I don't have a problem with anything else. Otherwise, the fittings, they didn't make it for less than an hour. They told me that I'm gonna wait for like 1 hour 30 minutes, but no, it only took them around about 25 minutes to make it, because I got there early, so there was no queue. So this is how it looks. I'm so happy. And yeah, let me close this vlog here now. I'm gonna see you guys on the next vlog. I hope you really did enjoy this vlog. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, and please also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please help grow this channel. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate the support. I love every one of you, and those one that subscribed, I really am grateful. And yeah, to many more subscribers, guys. I see when I checked today, we were like on 78 subscribers, and when I started this channel, it was like only 12 subscribers. So it means that there's something right that I'm doing. Difference. And honestly speaking, the vlogs I prefer doing this traditional vlogs, because I want you guys to learn this culture, and I also want to learn as well, because I don't know this culture, and it's very interesting. Like, it's a very interesting culture. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog now, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Love you. Bye.